In this video, we take a little trip out to Hico, Texas to visit with some fellow tiny campers. Well, hello again, friends. Here we are on another little short adventure, a little Friday, Saturday night. We're headed up to Hico, Texas, H-I-C-O.
Turn right onto the exit now and then keep right onto TX6 north towards Bryan.
We're gonna go meet up with some fellow tearjerker
In 1/4
campers.
mile, keep right onto TX6 north towards Bryan.
I'll get back with you later when she's through talking. Stay tuned. Hang on. Have a soda.
Big town of College Station, Texas. Heart of the Aggie land. Welcome to Hearn, Texas.
Got a pretty little sunset going on right over here. Yeah, maybe. Almost like a chalk painting.
It is. We're doing a little bypass of Waco, Texas.
Checking out the skyline.
It's so pretty.
I'm sure this video will not do that color justice.
Oh, I know. There's Trucker Hall.
And video.
Coming into the big town of Clifton, Texas.
35 miles to go.
Woohoo!
Passing through the little town of Meridian. 23 miles to go.
All right, we are coming into Hico.
Hico,
Not quite sure how to pronounce it.
H-I-C-O.
It looks like we're going through town.
Look at there. Place to go tonight. Jersey Lilies.
In 1/10 of a mile, turn left onto North Elm Street.
Yes, ma'am.
It's a hopping place.
Yeah.
Turn left now.
Next stop, the campground. Well, we finally made it. Pretty quiet. It's Hico. I think it's Hico. City Park. They got RV hookups out here. So we can have air conditioning tonight. People just kind of gathering around a little bit tonight. Setting up. We just got through leveling out and setting up. Katrina's doing her thing. Azizi's over there doing his thing in the dark. You see him or not. And yep, there's Cat Mike and the motor goat right there. And we're in the site right next to him. I don't know if you can see Mongo sitting right there. Yeah, you remember from last river video, we named him Mongo. There we are set up right there. Miss Katrina getting her things. So we're gonna finish getting set up, and yeah. If we don't see you again tonight, we'll talk to you in the morning. Great little place to eat in Hico, Texas. Yes, we found out it's called Hico. The Coffee Cup Restaurant. Good breakfast, reasonable prices. Got all kinds of little shops down here. I don't know if it's Main Street, but stars. Here we are in Hico, Texas.
Am I too hot?
No, you're good.
Are we good?
Alright, so it's daylight. You get a better shot. We'll walk around and take a look at some of the campers in some of this area. They have what, 26 RV sites here? There's a small rig there with a pull it with a motorcycle trike. But you can see here we got quite a few sites down through here. They got a pavilion over here, which we were hanging out there staying out of the rain. They got another one right over there. Let's walk down here. I think they got river access down here. Most of these sites are all pull-through sites. Look like you can fit a pretty good sized rig in here if you got RVs. Yeah, it's a little wet out here. We just had some rain for about 3 hours this morning. There's a Hico U. A bear. Not bear. Yeah, okay, I don't know my animals. A tiger. Hico tiger. Let's see here. There's another site right here. 1, 2, 3 or 4 sites right through here. Some more right here. You got one right over there. Back's right up close to the river. Each of the sites have a picnic table with them. Some of them have a grill. They do not allow open campfires here. Yep, there's the river right down there. Got little doggy bags for when your dog does its business or her business. I like to walk down there and see that water. I hear the water.
Yeah, we walked down there. You can't get to the water, but you can get real close.
I just saw a squirrel run by. I'm glad the dog didn't see it. Yeah. There's the river. Got playgrounds over there for the kids. Slides, basketball net, horseshoe pits. The website said something about they had disc golf out here too, but I don't see it here in the park
I
anywhere.
haven't seen it yet. But they've had some really neat wood carvings.
Yep. Well, I showed you the one. It said Hico. There's another one up here around the corner as we head back towards the camp. Oh, there's one right over there, isn't it? Or is that just a hollowed out wood?
I don't know. I think it is something. I just can't tell what it is.
Well, let's go check it out. Yep. So I guess when some of their stumps die out here, they take and carve. There's a tribute to our military.
Is that military? That is
Corporal Gray. Done a 22.
Mm-hmm. That is really pretty.
Yep. Yeah, here's another carving over here. Majestic eagle. Pretty nifty for a little municipal park. City park. City of Hico. Got all kinds of stuff for the kiddos to play on there. This little playground area was funded in part by Texas Parks and Wildlife. So, way to go, Texas.
Oh, and also here in town, we found out when we went in to have breakfast that they have bands on the weekend.
Several places actually in town.
I think she said like from 7 to 10, something like that. So it's really a neat town.
We may go check it out, but more than likely we'll be sitting here chit-chatting with the tear jerkers group we came up here to spend the weekend with. All right, so here's another one of the carvings in the stumps. Some more eagle carvings. Look very good. That's all neat.
Oh.
There's one of the rigs. That looks like a home-built job right there. And there's a tearjerker's flag right there. There's one they had built out of a utility trailer. There's our setups over there again. This yellow one right here, I believe, is another home-built job. And then we got this small one here, they're called the Queen Bee. And we got one more right back around the corner here. Bushwhacker trailer. Got a nice little setup with a little room off to the side. Gives them a lot of changing area. And yeah, we follow those folks. I believe it's a YouTube channel called Touring and Trails. So yeah, they do a lot of camping adventures. And yeah, we follow them. And then realized they're in the tearjerkers group. So we met them for the first time this weekend. Alright, so we're going to head back over and hang out with the group. Hope y'all enjoying this trip so far. So I didn't get a chance to come over and watch her doing this, but Katrina made something in our Omnia oven. And that's what's left of it. 3 of them. Very, very good. That was made with biscuits. And cut up some onions, put some cheese in it, cut up some pepperoni, and took the biscuits and put them in a bowl, kneaded them into a dough, with some olive oil, and then mixed all the ingredients in with it, and then put them in muffin tins in the Omni oven, and cooked them about 10 minutes, and they came out really good.
I just wanted to give a shout out to DJ. He's the director of the Lone Star chapter for the Tearjerkers. He put on a wonderful weekend. Food was excellent, and I love those little sandwiches that you made, the little cookies. Those were awesome. And all the ladies that I met this weekend, they were just wonderful.
So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, and you have a small tiny trailer, even a small camper, pop up, it doesn't matter. Come check us out. Well, here we are, all done. It's a great weekend spent with the Tearjerker group, all different sizes and shapes of trailers. A lot of home-built trailers, a lot of store-bought trailers.
Turn right now.
And so I'm going to follow my guidance and turn right now and head towards the house. And we'll catch up with y'all next time. As always, thanks for watching. And if you like our videos, click that like button, subscribe. Make sure you ring that bell so you can get notifications.
Texas 7 West. At your destination.
Right here?
Turn right here at the stop sign.
Right here.
Yes, it's right there.
If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.